Hey guys, today is Valentine's Day and we all meant to celebrate this day either with your loved ones, family members, or with your kids. So this week I also planned some activities for my cutie. But unfortunately, she won't be showing her presence in this video because she is extremely sick. So I thought to surprise her with few Valentine's Day theme activities which I prepared for her. So our first activity is match the following activity. Ta-da! 2 cups of popsicle sticks. Yes, guys, I collected some of the popsicle sticks and covered it with cute little hearts. What actually my little one has to do is I will take out all the popsicle sticks from 1 cup, lay it on the table, and she just need to match its pair from another cup like this. Next one is all about colorful feathers. Simply keep some feathers in a large bowl and let your dots match with its respective feathers. Okay, so this is a tweezer and she has to pick a feather with the help of this tweezer and keep it in its matching bowl. And it's yellow color feather and it will go here. Okay, so this activity is not only great for fine motor skill development and it also enhances their concentration, flexibility of the hands, control over the fingers, and so on. Now, for our last matching activity, I have upcycled a sweet box. These are some of a cute collections of tic tac clips. I have tucked in some of these clips into the ribbon and she just need to match it with its respective pairs. Again, this is a great inexpensive fine motor activity for kids. Now, our second activity is counting activity. So here I have decorated my coin holder. Actually, it's a piggy bank. And I have upcycled my cram box into a dice and as she rolls a dice, she has to insert that particular number of coins in the piggy bank. Now, it's not that easy to hold a coin with a tweezer, but I will definitely incorporate it in this activity as it will allow her to build control over hands and patience as well. But I will definitely use my hand because I can't make this video lengthy and there are many more activities to go. Okay, for our last counting activity, I collected some of the heart-shaped hair beads and piled them together in a pink yarn and it's ready for my little girl to count and stick the numbers. Trust me, it's a great way to enhance their counting ability. Okay, for the fun part, I have actually cut out some of the colorful sheets in a form of hearts. And all she needs to do is make a garland out of it. Next, when I asked her, "Do you want to make a card?" She said, "Yes, Mama." "To whom would you give?" She said, "Daddy." Then definitely this card is going to be very unique and it will be presented to her superhero. So to make this card, I have a choice for her whether she want to glue this paper heart or a stickers. Actually, these stickers are actually puffy and very easy to peel off. Okay, friends, do share your ideas, your inspiration, and how you celebrated this Valentine's Day with your little one by leaving your comments in the comment box below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, then do subscribe and press the bell icon to get all our weekly video notification. Till then, bye bye and happy Valentine's Day!